playing them again. Now we're attacking.
Oh, Phil. Y'all play if you want.
Our world is worth fighting
Desi,
for.
can you post that Discord in my chat?
Hold on. I'd have to open up your chat.
Since I last saw you. And neither have you,
There you
man.
go. Oh, thanks,
Attack
Abby.
commences in 30 seconds.
Here, here,
that's
Lucky,
just
here,
regular
here,
Discord,
here.
though.
I'm
I
gonna.
didn't
do it.
I'm gonna. What the heck? Okay, hold on. I have to open up your chat.
Try that one. Ooh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing.
My laptop runs extra slow whenever I am.
You're all good. You're all good. Thank you guys for posting that.
Bastion. I thought I slept them button. There he is.
Hello.
Okay. Hello.
I can't body block for him, sorry. That's okay. I got it.
Well, they're all anti down.
I think I'm gonna die here. I was a little bit too bubblesy.
Healed up.
Nope.
Hold on.
Nope. Hang on.
起来吧。
He's asleep. He's asleep. He's asleep. Go, Abby. Go, go, go.
Yeah, they're all just supporting him. Like that entire team is there to support him.
He's asleep. Never mind.
Oh,
He's dead.
I'm out.
No, he's not.
All right. Well.
Frick.
All right.
Yeah, that entire team is made to counteract, or made just to use Bastion.
Lucky, you need to go like flank them. And
Hold on,
use your ult on them.
I've got my ult ready.
Can I get over there this way? I hope so. No.
I'm about to have ult.
How long you got? Was that Reagan?
I'm out of
Yeah, I'm
it.
at 97.
Let me know. Okay, you got it.
I
All
have
right.
ult. I'm going up to the right side.
I'm gonna try to sleep.
I'm going
Alright, he's asleep.
Alright, nice. Go in, Lucky.
Alright, he's dead. He's dead.
Oh, the ice wall.
Sorry.
dead.
How did I know that?
Oh, I'm getting shot from the side.
Okay. Yep.
Frick.
There's Ash to the left side. How did I know that May would come in handy right there?
Oh, I'm dead. We got all.
I have to get
Oh, me
back in the
too.
fight.
Oh, that is the wrong way. That was way too far up, or too far back. I got Bastion.
Good try on the revive.
洗澡。
Diva, could you ult over the point? Thank you.
Oh!
Nice!
Huge, 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 huge. Kill the Ashe, kill the Ashe.
Got her.
Nice job.
Oh man. All right, May made a difference.
强了。
May made a big difference.
Objective A.
I kept him frozen as best I could.
Lucky,
Yeah.
Lucky, selling the payload and set up. You just selling that payload and don't move. Don't run around or anything. Just selling the payload and I'll keep you healed up.
Like what on top of the payload, like right here.
Like on, yeah.
Right here.
Go.
I'm out of mech. Oh, I'm gonna
Shoot
die
him, shoot
here.
him, shoot him.
Ooh! Not dead! Oh, now I'm dead.
I died.
BRB. You got run over by the payload.
You got run over by the payload. That shouldn't kill you though.
No, it ran over your dead body.
大家都指望着我呢。
Oh, frick.
Where's
There's
the
3 of them in
bastion?
this room.
Got to this point.
I'll sleep him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't.
He's dead! Calm down!
Okay. Sorry.
Oh, he's not.
I'm so used to people waking him up right when I fucking call it out.
I know. I'm just saying. we got him
Not gonna
dead.
lie, if you didn't ask, I might have woken him up early.
Oh my gosh.
I am not in mech. DC!
How?
How? They shot you.
I'm gonna need you to shut up. He should have been frozen by the time he fucking killed me. That's the problem.
No, only their fucking May works.
Apparently, that's usually how it goes.
Mm-hmm. Freeze you in like 2
God, I'm
seconds.
back again! Fuck this fast shit!
What the hell did you say?
Bastion's dead. Bastion's dead.
Bastion!
Word vomit out of anger.
Here I come, here I come.
Get on the payload.
I'm gonna die.
Don't die.
No promises. It's probably gonna happen. Sigma and Zarya to the left, behind you.
Bastion's dead.
Dashing down, I'm down.
Zarya's dead. I'm so close to ult.
30 seconds.
Ash is low. Ash is super low. Like fart on her.
Like, what the fuck is this?
That was odd.
But I just stopped in and say what's up. I gotta go to bed. I'll be up at
Zarya's-
4 o'clock. Later.
Night, DC.
Ash is to your left, left.
I don't know who I gave that to, but use it.
She gave it the You give it the Bastion.
Yeah.
Their Bastion's up. Their Bastion's up. That's left side. Left side. He ran.
Very nice.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Oh my
go.
God. Abby. Jesus.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Jesus. Yo, save that one.
God, it's a beautiful setup.
died.
I'm out of mech. I don't even care if we win. I'm just saying.
Oh, well, Bastion killed me.
That's the high point.
Dash down. Nope. Yes, I'm down too. Both of us.
They got a team kill out of that, by the way.
Have gone better.
That's alright.
As long as Abby walks away with that 5-kill bomb.
What if I get it?
That's-
Because I was the one that set it up.
No,
No,
shit.
'cause I
And her
got the
take
kill.
precedence. Yeah.
Bastion's low. Bastion. Oh, never mind. Nice.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Mercy.
He's left.
Dead.
Yay!
God, man. I didn't think we were gonna win that one.
All right, let's watch this play of the game.
It's gonna be Abby.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
I'm so excited. Ah!
Save this for the love of
Oh,
God.
I'm gonna. God, that's so beautiful.
Oh,
Oh, yes.
God.
You didn't even. There you go. I was about to say you didn't even.
It
use your-
landed. It landed too. It just landed perfect.
Ah, I gave